up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to mute your iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay guys, so what you need to do is go ahead and go to this top little button right here and switch it down until you see orange. Like so. And as you can see, it says silent mode on, and there is orange. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much all you have to do. So now when you're in that important meeting or that interview, your ringer won't go off. It'll be muted. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.